What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, consider subscribing because I bring you videos related to stocks, investing, and just money related topics. With that being said, today we're going to take a look at the top 2 Canadian crypto stocks that you can put into your portfolio. And a quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor, so whenever you're thinking about investing into anything, always consult a professional. And whatever I say in these videos is just my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. As we've all seen, last year when the pandemic hit, the market took a dump. But since then, stocks and other assets have rallied rapidly. And this includes crypto stocks along with cryptocurrencies, which have been some of the top performers over the last 12 months. But with such massive rallies, many investors wonder if it's still a good time to jump in and hold for the future, as they don't know if it's going to take a dump again or if it's going to continue to grow and rally. And in my opinion, with cryptocurrency and crypto stocks, there's still a lot of potential left because a lot of people really can't wrap their head around cryptocurrency or crypto in general. And slowly, we've seen bigger companies jump into the crypto world. And this leaves some investors thinking, is there still a ton of potential left? In my opinion, this is just the beginning, but you got to keep in mind with a lot of popularity, there also becomes a lot of chances for scams to happen. For example, with cryptocurrency, there's a ton of altcoins that are they're not even that great, and people are just pumping them and dumping them to make a quick buck. It's pretty much similar to any stock, how there will be penny stocks, people pump and dump them. And since the beginning, since cryptocurrency really started, it started with Bitcoin, and eventually it grew into other things and other coins and has since then grown rapidly. Because right now there's thousands and thousands of cryptocurrencies that you can choose from and different coins and all of that. It does get a little confusing, but with a little bit of research and a little bit of knowledge in what each of the coins do, some coins have incredible technology with a ton of long-term potential. And you may have heard a saying of something along the lines of it's alt season. Well, that pretty much means that some of the coins, or pretty much most of the coins, go through a major period of growth, and then after that the coin just generally trades sideways. And when this happens, some of the higher leverage assets begin to lose their premium, and this is where excitement starts and people start buying shares and they think it's undervalued. And this is where the 2 Canadian crypto stocks come into play, which I'll be talking about. The first company we're going to take a look at is called Huobi Mining Corporation, and the ticker symbol on this is HUT.TO, and currently they're trading for $6.83, and they have a market cap of a little over $766 million. If you're unfamiliar with what Huobi Mining Corporation does, they operate as a cryptocurrency mining company in Canada, and they engage in industrial scale Bitcoin mining operations. And if you pull up the last 6 months chart for Huobi Mining, you can see they're up about 450%. Also, taking a look at their year-to-date chart, they are up a little over 75%, and over the course of 1 year, they are up over 722%. Which is crazy. And with the recent rise of popularity with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, there are a ton of Bitcoin mining stocks to consider that you can purchase. However, Huobi Mining is considered one of the best. And although Bitcoin mining is extremely competitive and it's all about computing power, Huobi has its unique advantage because they're one of the oldest Bitcoin miners and they have a ton of experience, which in return is very crucial when it comes down to Bitcoin mining. They also hold over 3,000 self-mined Bitcoin, in which it helps position the company very well for the future. As we all know, the more and more Bitcoin becomes popular, bigger players in the game will also get attracted to it. So if you're definitely bullish on Bitcoin's long-term potential, Huobi Mining is a great hold for the future. And especially if you're trying to start a small position in any of the mining companies, especially Huobi Mining, in my opinion, now would be the great time to start a small position, because since this last high, the stock is trading down about 48%. Company number 2 that we're going to take a look at is called Hive Blockchain Technologies, and the ticker symbol on this is HIVE.V, and currently they trade for $4.73 per share. Hive Blockchain has a market cap of $1.78 billion, and if you're unfamiliar with what Hive Blockchain Technologies does, they operate as a cryptocurrency mining company here in Canada, Sweden, and Iceland. They're involved in the mining and the sale of digital currencies such as Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, and Bitcoin. And if we pull up the last 6-month chart, you can see they're up over 906%. Also, pulling up their year-to-date chart, they are up over 89%. And over the last year, they're up over 1200%. So if you're looking to start a position in Hive blockchain technologies, just like Hut 8, now would be a good time to start a small position into this company because they are down 30% from their recent high. Now, unlike Hut 8, which is one of the best Bitcoin mining companies you can currently buy, some people do have their doubts as they do see Hut 8 that it's only exposed to Bitcoin. And the main difference between Hut 8 and Hive is Hive's exposure to Ethereum. And with Ethereum, it's long been the most active blockchain, and it has the ability to run smart contracts, which is truly revolutionary and offers a ton of growth potential for years. And despite Bitcoin trending sideways for the last couple of months, Ethereum on the other hand has continued to rally. So if you're looking for a little bit more exposure, definitely take a look into Hive blockchain technologies, as this would be a good long-term play to have in your portfolio.